Of the most powerful nations in history, the United Kingdom was divided. Long ago, the lands we now call the UK were not united. There was England, Scotland, Wales, and Ireland. Over time, England grew stronger. In the 1500s, it conquered Wales, bringing it under English rule. Then something unexpected happened. In 1603, King James VI and I became king of both England and Scotland.
Years later, in 1707, a historic agreement changed everything. England and Scotland officially united.
Then, in 1801, Ireland was added to the Union. Now it was called United Kingdom of Great Britain and Ireland. But unity didn't last forever. In 1922, most of Ireland broke away, becoming independent.